Hello beauties and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So my lovelies, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your rice flour. Rice flour is a good anti-aging inflammatory agent. Rice flour can be used for various skin concerns such as getting rid of hyperpigmentation, acne, and other skin blemishes. Rice flour also contains anti-aging properties, which delays the signs of aging, making you look younger. And it also has oil-absorbing properties. So without wasting much of your time, I want us to jump right into this video. So my lovelies, this is the rice I'm going to be using, and this is about 2 cups of rice, and I'm going to go ahead and transfer this rice into my blender. So after transferring this rice into this blender, I'm going to go ahead and start blending the rice. And as you can see, the rice is a little bit bigger than the blender, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this rice and I'll start blending them batch by batch. So my lovelies, I just want to put this out there. So before you do this, you just want to make sure you have a very strong blender. So yeah, before you start this process of blending your rice, yeah, because rice sometimes can be a little bit just slightly hard to blend in the blender. So yeah, please make sure you have a strong blender before you do this. Thank you. So now I'm going to sieve this batch, and as you can see here, I'm using small sieve with tiny holes. So I'm just going to continue to do this until I finish all the rice flour. Please continue watching. So here I just thought I should show you. This is what I got from this one. I'm going to transfer it into this blender and I'm going to blend it one more time, and I'm going to show you the outcome. As you can see, this is the last batch of it. I'm going to do same thing and I'll show you how the rice flour turned out. Please keep on watching.
Cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is
the last chunks I got from the last one I sieved. So you can go ahead and store this in a different container, and yeah, this is the rice flour I got from this. You can see how it looks. I'm just going to show you the two. This is the one I got, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how everything looks. You can see how powdered it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and store this in an empty jar. So yeah, before you transfer your rice flour into your jar or any container, make sure you sanitize it. So my lovelies, this is the outcome of this rice flour. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye. Bye, lovelies.